All right, here we are. Fourth floor, Town Square Media, 1057 The Hawk. That's Water Street you're looking at. That's the Hawk parking lot right there. Everything looks pretty good right now. A little slushy. I'll show you Robin Street. What Robin Street looks like. Whatever you really see. But it doesn't look like municipal building. Water Street Bar and Grill over there. I'm guessing they're not open. Damn it. It's very quiet here today, very quiet. And here's a little bit more so you can see what's going on. There you go. So we'll give you updates throughout the night of the conditions here. After my show, we'll go outside as well. So we'll go back into the Hawk's nest.